Let's meet Mr. Daniel from the USA. He was in need of garage door repair services since his garage door had suddenly stopped working. So, he searched online for the best garage door repair company, and found Adams Garage Doors LLC. He visited their site, learned about their top-notch services, and read all positive reviews. After discussing all his requirements with their expert at 703-623-6766, he hired a service. Within a day, their team of competent technicians came with the proper tools, and repaired the door expertly. Moreover, they also provided top-quality materials to ensure the longevity of the door. Mr. Daniel was so happy to have an affordable, fast, and trusted service from them. So, are you also looking for a reliable garage door company? Check out AdamsGarageDoorsLLC.com for more details.